Last year, I made this magic mirror that tells you the time, the weather, and gives you words of encouragement, and it went viral. So today we're going to give him an upgrade, a makeover if you will. First, let's sketch out a design. I'm going to add a friction fit backing to hold the electronics in place, because as you can see, there's nothing going on back here right now, as well as some cute 3D patterns at the back for ventilation. For the CAD, I'm using a software called Autodesk Fusion. They have a new MCP connector with Claude, which means that I can make edits to my designs just by chatting with Claude. To use it, install Autodesk Fusion connector from Claude's connector directory, and then ask it something like, create a friction fit enclosure for my electronics. Help me create spirals for ventilation on the backing. Claude is basically talking to Fusion internally and translating my words into commands. How would I design a snap-in holder instead of using screws? And finally, how would you recommend me 3D print this? I went to steal my boyfriend's 3D printer and his red filament because that's the only one I could find. It took around 2 hours to print. I was super surprised by how all the tolerances and everything fit perfectly just after one try. Thanks for watching and see you next time.